This is what they were talking about, cutting off trails that they don't want to get. You know, they're trying to limit the amount of destruction that humans cause out here. Geocaching.com app said this was 4/10 of a mile. No, it didn't. It said it was 3/10 of a mile, so it rounded down because my GPS says 3,500ths.
Some discrepancy with the maps.
No. Either way, it's going to be a bit of a hike. Oh, look, bird, 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 bird. Big bird. That is a big bird.
Oh. Whoa.
It's all like people.
Disturbing the peace. I like how there's like a circle of grass.
Oh, that patch of weed.
It's a weed.
What's this? What's it? Huh.
I think people have been here.
Oh, I know people have been here. There's a fire pit right over there. Okay. There's supposed to be... There was trail. I don't... maybe this way? And we're going to end up on the top of that hill up there. But we're going to take the easy way. Supposedly it's the easy way.
Too soon.
Don't count your chickens before they're hatched. Okay, I'm all for cash in, trash out, but man, this is just too much junk for me to have to carry. Look at this, somebody's fender over there. I think. I don't know what it is. Huh. I wonder what that is. Yeah, some kind of structure. Like a box. I don't feel silly at all. Well, numbers are still going down. That's a good sign. Oh. Yeah, that's something's spine, I think. Or a skull. Is that a skull?
It's a skull.
I think that's a skull.
It's a skull.
From a long time. Oh, you see, there's a spine.
Oh. Spine's in pieces. Look at the... There's a tailbone.
Is that a tailbone? Or is that...
Another one.
Is that a Neolithic tool? Neolithic, Paleolithic, whatever. I don't know what it is. Good thing we set aside all day for this, huh? Hey, the numbers aren't going down anymore. What? Well, it really wants us to take a left and go over there.
But we have to go more up.
We have to go more up. I knew this was going to happen. The direct route is difficult. If we take this, it's like taking the freeway instead of taking surface streets. You have to go out and around to get to the freeway. Surface streets are slow, and stoplights and pedestrians and buses and whew. See, now the numbers are going down again. at some point we are actually going to have to cut across country. My arm's getting tired. Yeah, Google Maps shows this as a road. And clearly it was. But clearly they don't want anybody driving on here anymore. So we're walking. We're walking, we're walking.
Traffic.
Catch breath, reconnoiter. So we might have to take a left turn here.
There's the trail.
Yep, the easy part's over. Now we gotta go that way. Ew. Oh, we're right here. I want to mark this as a waypoint so that when we get done up there, we head back down this way and we get the easy path on down. So we don't, you know, try to cut across. Good Lord. If there's ancient ruins up here, I mean, good Lord.
I'm feeling this in my knees.
The people that decided to live up here. Well, the numbers are going down again. Oh my God. Look at that view. Whew. Oh, wow. Wow. Yep.
Oh,
Nobody's found it yet. Look at that. Today's still the 9th, right?
yes.
Whew.
My legs are like, no.
No.
We have to get down.
We can sit for a minute. There's no rush. This is what I came here for. The truck?
Yeah.
Yes, I can see it. It's right there. Right where I left it.